All right, we're going to go over today's warm-up. Uh, do know that you're going to have 3 questions every single day for 4 to 5 days, maybe 6. And then once all of the warm-ups are done, there will be a warm-up quiz. And if you notice, today's is on stuff that we've already done. So number 1 asks, what's the square root of 169? Well, if you know it by heart, then you already know that the answer is 13. Okay, and if you don't know, if you look at the last digit, which is 9, it's odd. So it has to be an odd number. So think about what 2 numbers multiplied together equal 9. Well, 3. So the best bet you can come up with is 13. Unless, the best way to do it is to go ahead and do all of your multiplication facts to figure out which one is 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 169. Okay? All right, number 2, write 3 numbers that are equivalent to 10 to the negative second power. Okay, so if you remember, if it's a negative power, it's written as, one way is 1/10 times 1/10, which is also equal to 1/100th, which is also equal to the decimal. So you have 2 zeros. So we're going to put 2 lines here. One goes in the first one on the right. You throw in a 0 and your decimal point, and you're done. And there are 3 different ways to write equivalent numbers to 10 to the second, or 10 to the negative second power. Or you can also write, another one could be 1/10 to the second power. All right, and the last one, number 3, compare the numbers using one of the fill out, using greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, so if you have -5.5, remember we want to change everything to decimals. So -5.5 would be -5.5, and then 18%, to change a percent to a decimal, we just move the decimal point, boom, boom, 2 places. So now we compare. Now, this one's actually pretty easy because anything negative is going to be less than that. So, boom. 0.18 is larger than -5. And that's it for the warm-up.